Okay guys, so we're back with another Mario Mini 35 video. Boy Wonder FPV and I both think this is one of the best drones we've flown all year, and we've actually deliberately split the review up into 3 different sections just to give us 3 different excuses to come out and fly. Today it's going to be about the top speed test and the Angry Karen noise test. So without further ado, let's cut to the flights.
Oh my god. It doesn't want you
107 kilometers an hour that way, and we lost satellites that way.
Oh,
so we'll try it again.
It keeps going away and going back, but it doesn't want you to do the speed test.
I think it's worried, isn't it?
Yeah. It's like, please, Papa, don't hit me into the tree or ground. Ah!
Okay, let's try again. Just waiting for those satellites to come back. So we got it to about 110 kilometers an hour. 114 kilometers an hour.
I'll try. I'm not on my phone.
That'll do by me.
I was about to translate it, but I'm not on my phone.
So in a minute, what we're going to do is I'm going to land and switch batteries, and we're going to do the Angry Karen noise test for this video.
Yep.
But this drone is just one that we just keep flying. We've decided to split the video up into a few videos just for an excuse to continue to fly it, because it is so good. So good. Okay, so that's our speed test. 100, what did I say? 112 kilometers an hour, did I say?
I think you said 120, I don't know.
No, I think it was about 112-ish.
Okay.
So I'm going to come back and land, and then we're going to do the Angry Karen noise test. Boy Wonder's going to go and stand at the gate.
And the miles an hour of it will be on the screen, I'm guessing.
Yeah, the miles an hour will be on the screen now. Karen noise test. Find out how many Angry Karens the SpeedyBee Mario Mini 35 is likely to attract. Boy Wonder should be at the gate recording Karen by now, so let us go and summons the Karen.
Oh wow.
And again, we're going to go back to the gate to Boy Wonder.
I think that's a beep out of 10.
Be interesting to see what Boy Wonder thinks of this. I think I've got my score, but we'll see what Boy Wonder says. And we'll go past him again.
Going for another one just to make sure. Yeah, that's maybe. Yeah, that's 100% a beep out of 10.
This drone is just too good. Far too good. This drone and controller combo actually just seems to make so much sense. Sometimes the controller doesn't always go with the drone. But personally, I think this does. We'll do one more past the Boy Wonder, and then we'll come back and we will land the drone.
What, another one? Yep. 100% a beep out of 10.
So good. So genuinely good. So I'd like to know what your scores are now before we announce ours at the end of the video. So I'll leave a comment now at this point in the video and say my predicted Angry Karen noise score is, and leave it in the comments down below. And we'll see you for the outro in a second, and we'll let you know what our thoughts are. I think my thoughts on this are quite locked in, I think. I'll see you guys in the outro in a second. Okay guys, so that was the Angry Karen noise score and the top speed test. Top speed test is on the screen now, and I think for a 3.5 inch 4S drone, that is more than respectable. What do you think in the comments down below? Please do let me know. Now, as regards for our Angry Karen score, I'm going to mark this 4 Angry Karens out of 10. I don't think it's bad at all, and when you're not on full throttle, it is really, really quiet. Boy Wonder FPV, welcome to the channel.
Hello.
What would you mark this from an Angry Karen score out of 10?
I would say a bit, maybe 3.5.
3.5 Angry Karens out of 10. And we've also got Little Wonder FPV here as well. Little Wonder FPV, welcome to the channel.
Yeah.
Brilliant. And how many Angry Karens out of 10 would you mark it, Little Wonder?
Like 3 out of 5 or 4.
Out of 10, out of 10, out of 10.
Out of 10. Like 7.
7 angry Karens out of 10. So you think this will enact 7 neighbourhood angry Karens to come out with pitchforks and attack us? Is that what you're saying?
Pitchforks is crazy.
Pitchforks is crazy, but they don't like drones. So is that your final answer?
Yeah.
So we've got 3, 4 and 7.
5 and 7.
So whatever the average is, I'll do maths and I'll put it on the screen.
And
Now,
also
did you get it?
6.5.
Did you get it right in your predicted scores? Please do let me know in the comments down below. We absolutely love bringing this content to you. We absolutely love filming this content for you. So please do just drop us a comment down below, like the video, hype the video, share the video, and send the video to your news agents, suppliers, diesel manufacturers, retailer,
and your great granddad.
And your great granddad. Peace. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.